Oh my god, my cat. I wish I had it. He just ran across the yard in the snow. Up, he's now in the tree. There are some robins. I really didn't see that in there. Now, my cat is an indoor cat, so this is bound to be clumsy. Whatever the attempt is going to be, it can't be as stealthy as what's probably going on in his head. Right now, I think he's in a little predicament right now. I think, yeah. Oh, he's back to Arctic cat again. Bird's up in the tree. Oh, he saw it fly. He's coming back.
Oh,
wait.
Just
oh,
played with Sox's poop.
He went to go check out what the dog was up to. Now he's right back in. Now here we are. Come on, JJ. Woo-hoo-hoo, Jay!